Hello everyone, Jeff with the Green Review here. I want you to know how to use the Green Review YouTube channel you're watching right now with the Green Review Gardening book. This book is available in softcover like this or as a PDF version that you can use on your phone or computer. This book was over a decade in the making. There are over 400 pages and almost 1,000 pictures and illustrations. The Green Review Gardening book and the videos are designed for the owner of a landscape who knows very little about plants but needs to take care of their landscape. The first 3 chapters of the book and the playlists below cover how plants are named and grouped, how plants grow in different weather, climate, soil, and water conditions, and how plants process sunlight and chemicals in the air and water into a vast array of their own chemicals. In these chapters and videos, you will learn principles like the root to shoot balance, the plant to environment balance, dead stuff decays, and the thrive to sudden death ranges of plant health. In the next 4 chapters and the playlists, I cover how to buy, plant, and grow annuals, bulbs, perennials, vegetables, houseplants, fruits, lawns, shrubs, and trees. The next 3 chapters and video playlists cover the very important topics of landscape maintenance, pest control, and pruning. The pruning chapter and videos alone are worth the price of the book. A beautiful landscape is more than just plants. It includes birds, butterflies, and the sounds of splashing water. The final chapters in the video playlists cover landscape design, water gardens, and gardening for wildlife. There are over 200 videos in the playlist below, and I'm adding another video every Friday at noon. So click on the subscribe and notification buttons so that you don't miss a video. There's also a playlist of time-lapse videos of flowers opening down below, and I add to that playlist on the first day of every month. To get your copy of the book in either softcover or as a PDF for viewing on computers and phones, go to greenreview.com or click on the link in the description below. For a very limited time, if you subscribe to this YouTube channel, then go to buy the book. You can type in the code I subscribed to get 25% off either version of the book. And this is Jeff with the Green Review. Thanks for watching.